All right, Steve, thanks very much. Time now for another COVID-19 benefits information segment with our Fox 10 News investigative reporter, Brendan Kirby. Brendan's back with us for an update on the medical issues surrounding this virus. And Brendan, on the advice, the coronavirus seems to change every week. Now there's a new guidance from Centers for Disease Control and Prevention about how this virus spreads.
That's right, Byron. Remember when the government kept urging us to disinfect everything? Well, that's probably still a good idea, but the latest thinking from the CDC right now is that that's not how the virus spreads best. The CDC says the latest research indicates that people touching a surface or an object and then touching their face is not the main way the coronavirus spreads. This is possible, though, so caution is still in order. But the CDC also says the chances are low of spreading the disease from animals to people or from people to animals, so we can probably breathe a little easier about the family pets. The main point of transmission appears to be from person to person, and this can happen when people are 6 feet or closer to one another, or when people breathe in the virus when an infected person sneezes, coughs, or even talks. And even people who aren't showing symptoms can spread the virus. Now, for some perspective, the CDC rates that the coronavirus is more contagious than the seasonal flu, but less contagious than the measles.
All right, so Brendan, many people keep asking us about hospital capacity. We keep asking those questions as well. And now there's a way to track that in real time.
Correct. For a time, the Alabama Department of Public Health was only giving aggregate numbers on hospitalizations. Since March 13th, 1,528 COVID-19 patients have been hospitalized. That's about 11.6%. For the last couple weeks, though, we've been able to see how the daily number changes on the Health Department's coronavirus dashboard. The data come from the Alabama Incident Management System, which hospitals report to twice a day. The most recent number from yesterday was 673. So this gives us a better sense of what the capacity is from day to day. According to the State Health Department, Alabama has about 15,000 hospital beds. But Byron, recognize the limitations of this. It gives you a statewide snapshot, but the numbers could be much different in a particular location. And we heard at the governor's news conference today about how stressed the Montgomery area is in terms of ICU beds. So that's something to keep in mind.
Yeah, it really is. Brendan, thanks so much.